What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the screen protector that came on your Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now the screen protector that comes on this phone is just a flimsy piece of plastic, so if you want to replace it with something better, this video is going to be very useful for you. I do have to warn you though, if you do damage your screen while taking this screen protector off, it will void your warranty. So that's just something to keep in mind. The one important thing you need to keep in mind when you're trying to take the screen protector off is finding something to use that's not harder than the screen itself, because you will scratch it and you'll puncture it. The one thing I found that works pretty well and doesn't seem to scratch the screen is your fingernail. So just make sure that your fingernail isn't rough or scratchy or has any sharp edges on it. And then what we're going to do is just simply work at one of the corners until we can peel off the rest of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the screen protector now so you guys can see the process and what the screen protector looks like when it's not on the phone. Okay, so as you can see, I got a little bit of the corner up, so now we just need to peel up the rest. And there you go. As you can see, it's just a very flimsy piece of plastic, nothing special. So if you wanted to replace it with something better, it's pretty simple to do, and I didn't damage the screen, as you could see. So again, here is the screen protector, and as you can see in the corner of the screen, it's not damaged at all. It's actually pretty simple to do if you want to try it yourself. And as far as the feel goes, the phone's screen actually feels just like the screen protector that was on it before. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty easy to do. Just be very careful if you guys want to attempt this yourself, just so you don't damage the screen. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to be more than happy to answer anything you might have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.